Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. I'm Kat and I make videos related to luxury, lifestyle and fashion. So if you enjoy such videos, remember to subscribe and let's get started. I am just so excited with two of these new pieces. I'm so excited to share two unboxings today, and one of it is actually from it's a ready-to-wear piece, and the other it's more of like a footwear piece. So I know it's been a while since I've actually last filmed anything that is like ready-to-wear related. I haven't actually acquired a lot of that category so far, so I'm just so excited, and probably just a little bit of backstory as well. Picked up something from Loewe, and this is actually not from their collaboration. It's a Suna collaboration. Yeah, so this is a Japanese designer, but I saw some of the items. They just launched it in Singapore like a week ago, but majority of the items are already sold out. It's just super limited, but I just love the packaging. So regardless of anything that you buy, you're just gonna get like a Suna packaging right now. So it comes with like a little postcard that I could reuse, and here it goes. And it comes with this packaging as well. I just love like the paper that it comes with. So the sales associate mentioned that this illustration is actually inspired by the designer's kid. So I just find it so cute because I have a boy as well. So this really reminds me of my little boy Oliver. Gotten myself a really nice jacket. Yeah. So when I saw this, I was like, oh my gosh, yes, I have to get this. And it's in this is the only piece in the store, and it's a size 38. And I believe that this is from the Spring Summer Collection 2023. So I just love this piece because it's, yeah, like this is how it looks like in the front. And it has this kind of detailing as well. So it's almost like this two-tone like piece, and like it has this, and it has Loewe behind. So that I was thinking about buying, right? I was just wanting to check out like the new collaboration for Suna. And when I went into the store, it was also Black Friday, by the way. And when I went to the store, I saw, okay, you know, the ready-to-wear pieces are actually on sale. And this, I got it on sale. This is not like a full price item that I got it for. And the sale was really good. It was like 50% for selected pieces, only for the ready-to-wear. And if you shop on Black Friday, you get like more rewards points as well. Let's say if you're a member in MBS. So I think it's a really good place to shop, especially when it's like Members Day, and then you get like it's the usual is like 3% for MBS members, but on that day it's like 12%. So it's really good cashback. So you can use it for like free parking and all that as well. Super easy. Like, I can even wear it right now if I wanted to, but it's gonna be a bit hot. But yeah, I can just like wear this in the office, you know, casual as well, so no problem. I just like the style of it. What do you think? It's so easy. Yeah, and I don't actually own any denim outerwear as well, so this is actually my really first piece that I've got, and my first Loewe item. I've never actually bought anything from Loewe, can you imagine? But I've always been eyeing their puzzle bags. Never bought anything, but this is like the first one, so I just felt, whoa, okay, with I'll show you the price as well. This was 3,150 Singapore dollars, and I got it for half the price, 50% off, so that's 1,575. Plus on top of that, that was another 12% of cashback to my card since I'm a member. So to me, I think that was a really good deal. And I shop more in MBS, so, and I like to dine there, so yeah, it just makes sense for like free parking and all that. So, and let's love this. What do you think? I like that there's like that two-tone kind of style going on, and yeah, I just like the vibe. It's like a very mum vibe. No other than this orange box, and it's from Hermes, yes, and it was like there was just one piece, right? One piece, and the color was just gorgeous, and the size, it was my size. So for you guys who don't know, I've got huge feet and I come with a bunion as well. So getting shoes has always been like a lifelong challenge for me, to just get something in my size, especially in Asia. So when I saw this, and it's actually from a reseller, by the way, I didn't get it from the boutique. My next pair is Cypress sandals. This is just fantastic. It is versatile. I can see myself using it all the time. It's in suede. It's like a navy blue. I think it suits my jacket as well, isn't it? Like the whole ensemble today. And this is actually in a size 42, and yeah, suede, which is like, I think after like over time, this actually can expand way better than my other Cypress sandal that is like in Epsom leather. The reason why I've also decided to just get it is because totally brand new. It's never been worn before. It's never been worn out before, and it came in my size. And it's so difficult to get pieces like right now in the boutique, especially for this type of style. Cypress sandals, like you can't even, like that's typically like impossible. Whenever I'm in the store, whenever I'm hogging like the websites, it's just so challenging just to find a piece available. So when I saw this piece, I was like, yes, this is something that I have to get as well. So those are my two pieces, and I think I've got it almost like retail store price for the Cypress sandals. So personally, I'm somebody who loves shopping in the resale market, and I love getting a good deal, and I just love luxury, specifically because of the quality of what I get. I just know that the things can last a lot better. And if you're somebody who loves luxury as well, and you're not sure whether or not you want to spend so much money on a jacket, or you want to spend so much money on a sandal, then why not just get something that looks like that item, try it on, see how it fits you. You might like it. It could be in like almost the same kind of design or silhouette. It could be almost like a Birkenstock, right? That looks pretty much like a Cypress sandal, similar, and just see how it fits. And invest in these kind of luxury pieces as well, because they are classics, they're timeless, they never go out of style. And if you know more about what you want, then you're able to know, okay, you're able to then part your hard-earned money on these products as well, or these categories, because they are really expensive. It's really important to stay sensible about how you spend your money, and always pay yourself first rather than just wait for your paycheck and then start spending, right? Stay tuned for another unboxing that is going to come as well. It's something like, I'd rather not unbox here because I just want it to be really more of a special piece. So it's something from VCA, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!